Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. Happy New Year. It's Monday the 8th of January. In this video we'll be looking at the charts on the S&P 500 index, which on TradingView has the code SPX 500 USD. What we'll see is that the uptrend that we saw last year remains in place. TTYF, the trend is your friend. In the short term, we're at the upper boundary of that trend, so some consolidation would be healthy. Let's look at those charts. So here we are on the weekly, and you can see that in July, August, we bounced off the 20-week moving average, and we've been in an uptrend ever since then. Solid uptrend. It hasn't really been tested. We haven't been below that 20-week since November 16. So very solid uptrend all through last year, and really at the moment it looks like it's going to continue. We are towards the upper boundary of that trend, so a consolidation would be healthy. The lower boundary is right down at 2600. Looking at the daily picture, again you can see that we did have a bounce off the 20-day moving average over the Christmas period. Strong move up. It's slightly looking overextended at the present level. You can see that the RSI is just below 80, 75.99, and is at a very high level, and at levels that we've seen it pull back previously. Again, the moving average would give support. The 20-day at the moment, 2686. Momentum is strong. That's indicated by the high RSI, and you can see also on the MACD in this lower part of the charts that the short term is above the longer term, and that's a positive and shows good solid upside momentum. On the 4-hour chart, again you can see that we're slightly overextended. On this chart we have, in pre-market trade today, we have pulled back slightly. Again, the moving averages will give the first support, 20-day at 27.22, and then the 50-day at 26.99. Momentum strong. It was good that the RSI reached a high, as we reached a high at the end of last week. MACD just starting to roll, but no concern. Short term does remain above the long term, and they are well above zero. Looking at the support and resistance levels on the S&P, all-time high 2745.6 is a resistance. Excuse me, with supports coming in at the 20 of the 4-hour, 2719.91, and then the 50 of the 4-hour, 2698.3. So that's been TA for Traders looking at the S&P. The key takeaways from the video should be that TTYF, the trend is your friend. That remains in place as the trading range continues to move higher. We are at the moment towards the upper boundary of that trend, but upside momentum remains strong. In the short term, a consolidation would be healthy, but as I said, TTYF. Many thanks for watching this video on the S&P. I hope you found it of interest. Please remember that these videos are for information only and are not an investment recommendation.